watching JU Nation Fishing.
Oh my goodness. Hey family and friend, this is JU. I am vacationing in Minnesota, the land of more than 10,000 lakes. I'm gonna go by a nearby lake where I'm staying for this week. My goal is to catch a walleye, guys. I'm gonna be walking this path every day, which is roughly about a quarter of a mile. Every day I'm going to try to target everything that's in this lake, but by the end of the week I hope to catch a walleye. I'm sharing this adventure with you guys. I'm always appreciative that you guys come along and join me in my adventures. I know there are lots of good fishing video out there, guys, and I do appreciate you guys tagging along. Stay tuned. Alright family, first time using this Gyro Lure trout dagger. Not sure what I'm gonna catch with it, but I'm gonna play around and see what shows up. I'm just gonna cast it out, let it sink down to the bottom, and see what takes it. I think we got better luck today, guys.
I got it.
Set the hook and then reel them in. And now, when you feel one more bite, set the hook and bring them in.
I waited too long.
Yeah, he's gone. Stole your bait. I think we'll see.
I think it missed him. Yeah,
Missed
I definitely
him.
missed it.
Net was a net. Oh my goodness. Was a net, son? Oh! Oh man, hang on. Well, shoot. We're going for walleye, and we thought we got a big fish on, and this is what we got, guys. Hey, but it's better than nothing, guys. We'll be right back. I got a bite, family. Oh man, come on, come back, baby. Oh man. Had a nice bite. I let my line go. First bite of the day, guys, on a night caller with my little homemade harness again. But I think I let go. Doggone it. Got a big fish, guys. Ooh, man, I got a fish now. Oh, yeah, baby, whoa! Got a fish. Got a fish, guy. Maybe this, maybe it's a walleye, man, I don't know. Oh, yeah, just let that line go, son. Let the line go. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, yeah, baby. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Got myself a fish, guys. Oh, yeah. Some kind of fish. We're hitting for the walleye. We'll see. All right. This. That's a big old bass. It's a giant-sized bass, family. Wow. Oh man, that's a fatty. Man, I thought it was a walleye. Dang. A Lindy. My family got this huge, big old bass that I'm about to let go. Here you go. Nice one.
Good.
Woo! Oh, that was a hard bite. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. Shoot. That was a hard hit, too. You see how hard it was?
I thought that was a little bigger than the last one.
Hey, maybe a walleye.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That felt way bigger.
Oh. Jeez. Another yellow perch.
See that?
I'm taping you right now. Yep. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, that's right.
That's a good size, I think.
Oh yeah. Make sure you got to drag good to don't break your line. Oh man, look at that. Look at the rod pin. Yeah. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow. Check that out. Oh yeah, it's on, baby. It is on, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, I hear that drag. Woo! I hear that drag. It is on, baby. Here we go, family. We got something. No, it's not a motor. It's running. It's running. Oh, it's a nice bass. It's a nice. I think is it spotted? Spotted bass, maybe? Ooh, yeah. Nope, regular bass. Nice one. Look at that. Woo!
That was fun.
Oh, that's a nice bass. That's definitely a JU hammer, though. Bam! Look at that, baby. That's a nice bass. Nice one. What's happening, family and friends? This is JU. Man, what a gorgeous day here in the land of more than 10,000 lakes. You know, my son-in-law John and I have been trying to catch a walleye several times now, and we haven't had any luck. We got a really super nice local fisherman that's showing us the ropes today. Stay tuned and see how we do, guys.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, something's on it.
Nice. Right. You need a net or no?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Just in case. Just in case. Oh, it's a walleye! Yeah! Oh Oh, it's a big one too. Whoa, whoa, it's a big walleye. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, he's pulling drag. Oh my
There you
goodness.
go.
It's a walleye. Dang, baby. Keep that up. Keep that up. Whoa. Oh, it's a big nice. Yeah, baby. First walleye ever.
There you go.
Bam, bam, yeah. Woo. Bam, bam.
There you go,
Here
John.
you go. Yeah, look at this, baby. Look at that walleye. Yeah. Hey, family and friends, we finally did it. There you go. Thank you to this man right here. All right. And so say that rule. Say the rule again. So you keep.
Anything under 15 inches, we throw back. Anything over 20 inches, we throw back, because those are the mamas and the breeders.
There you guys. You heard it right there.
And then the babies, we let them go and let them get a little bit bigger.
Nice. Thank you so much, man. That's our first walleye ever.
Yep.
Yeah, baby. Whoa, another hammer right there. Bam, 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 bam. Woo. Hey, family, I think we might just get another one.
Tiny guy. This might be a bad.
Yeah! Oh, they let
Little
those
guy.
go. Another hammer, though. Bam,
There you
bam.
go, man.
A little baby one that we're gonna get to let go, but hey, it's beautiful. Check it out, guys. Release that walleye, guys. There you go. He's out of there. Oh, I got one on. Oh, yeah, baby.
Ooh, that's a big one.
I got, ooh, on the track, baby. Be a big bass. Oh, serious? Freaking a serious walleye, guys. Yeah, family. Woo! Get a big old bass or big walleye, guys. Ooh, oh, there it is. Oh, did you see that? Oh, that's a bass, huh? Freaking bass. That's a big bass, no, family. It's a big bass. And my son's gonna get it. Oh, oh, whoa. Hey, man, that's a big old bass, dude. Whoa, look at the pulling drag. Look at the pulling drag, guys. Jeez. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see that, son? Whoa. Look at that guy. Oh, man. Oh, that's a monster hog, you guys. Woo. Dang, that's a big old bass. Here you go, family. Caught him on my little homemade harness right here with double spinning blade. Trying to go for a walleye, but instead got that giant-sized bass instead. That's wild.
Yeah.
Well, this has got some pretty tall sidewalls, I imagine.
Yeah, you
Bam,
This is pretty
bam, bam.
There you go, man.
Bam.
Yeah. Yeah.
The man, guys, right here. Woo! That was awesome.
Yep.
All right, guys. Oh man, this guy is huge. Look at that baby. Oh, he's gone. Boom. Man, that's a big old monster. Oh, I got him. You got him.
I think so.
All right, the pro is showing us how it's done here, guys.
Bass is coming up.
Oh, ooh, it's a monster bass. Don't show him the net yet till it comes at you. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Easy.
Did you want a
Easy
picture with
catch
him,
and-
Matt?
Easy catch and release.
I need a little bit smaller.
Because I know Mike.
Oh, you got a big one, huh? Wow. Might need a net. So big.
Hopefully it ain't the board.
No, he's pulling. Oh, man. Oh, something. It's really keeping deep down there. Look at the rod band, guys. Look at that rod band. Wow. I haven't seen it yet. Where is it? Drag. It's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. Oh! Whoa! That's a big freaking bass, man. Look at that. Wow.
He didn't like that.
No. Oh, man. That was exciting, guys. There he is. Oh, it's the biggest bass of the day. Look at that. Whoa. Wow.
Not a happy camper.
Whoa, look at that rod band. Look at that rod band, guys. Whoa. Look at that rod band. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that baby. That is a giant. You gotta measure that guy. That's a giant.
Holy
Oh
cow.
my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
I think so. I just got a lead.
Fish. That's what it is. That's a fish. It's fine. Something. Oh wow, that's a freaking big sunfish. Jeez. Even a good sunfish so big here, guys.
You did that?
Maybe. Maybe not. See what it looks like. And we call a baby.
Baby walleye. Hey, so we got a walleye, guys. There it is. Nice one.
Went through his eye.
Oh,
He is a
What's going on, family and friends? We're about to wrap it up. This is JU. What an exciting day today, guys. We never seen a walleye, my son and I. And there he is. And he's the hot hand today. 2 walleye. And of course, our distinguished guest Matt over here. He's got, did you got 2 also today?
I got a couple real small ones.
Yeah, 2 small ones. And me, I never fished for bass. I keep on getting bass, guys. So I got a big old bass again. And of course, we all got big bass, which is really exciting, guys. As always, guys, a lot of good fishing video out there. Thank you so much for coming to join my adventure this time. What's going on, family and friends? This is JU. I've been fishing here in Minnesota for the last 4 days, almost every single day. Not even one skunk. Every single day, catch something. It was a fantastic experience. But my goal is to catch, a walleye. I felt that I've succeeded in that. I bought all the rigs that I made from California, bring it over here. So ultimately, we have a nice neighbor that took us out. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate that guy. He took us out to the honey hole where he's been catching walleye, show us how it's done. And ultimately, we got some nice, on that day we were with him, 4 walleye, 3 that we released, kept 1. Man, it tasted so good, guys. It's awesome. With my son-in-law, Lightning, we just had a blast. This whole last 4 days catching, we caught humongous bass, guys. We released all the fish except for that 1 walleye that we kept. As always, guys, lots of good fishing video out here. Thank you so much for joining me this journey. Like I said, so ultimately I set down the drop shot rig mainly and a lot of Nightcrawler harness. It works. Till the next time. Peace out, family.